Hello, welcome to Guarantee. My name's Randy. Today I'm going to show you a nice brand new Coachmen Chaparral Fifth Wheel with a lot of options, a lot of storage, and a lot of light. Let's go check it out. Okay, well check this out. If you have a family and you want some room, this one offers it all. This is a mid-bunk fifth wheel that has a nice mid-bunk area here between the living and kitchen area and the master bedroom, which is a great area with a lot of bed, a lot of storage, a lot of room for the kids. As well as in the back, there's another bunk room here with a sofa for seating and a bunk up above with some built-ins for the kids. And check this out. It has a full bath in the back. So the kids would have their whole complete room by themselves with their own bathroom, and it gives them some privacy, gives you some privacy, and gives us lots of space, but still being in an RV, which is a great layout. At dinner time, we have a four-person table and chairs. We have a nice seating area for theater seating for the kids and for you guys to watch TV with a big screen, a movie player, a great fireplace that works. Here's theater seating, the recliners. The refrigerator has 4 doors, so it's meant to support a family. Lots of pantry, lots of dish storage area. One big farm sink that's stainless steel, which is fabulous. Great faucets, oven, microwave, solid surface countertops, and a nice cabinetry. Listen, they've done it all in this one. Up in the bedroom is a fabulous bedroom with wardrobe, front storage, built-ins, places to put CPAP machines and charge your phones. Lots of room, lots of light for this layout, and it has plenty of air conditioning. This will have 2 air conditioners in it to support the coach. Fantastic fans. Roller blinds instead of the day and night pleated shades. This has the nicer full blackout blinds. There's a lot to this rig to offer. It's great for a family. Hey, again, thanks for checking this out with me today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call me in the bottom of the thing here. If not, come out and see me. I'll be happy to show you around and take a look at this really nice fifth wheel. Have a great day, guys.